Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to be comparing Skylight and Cozyla Calendar to see if which one is better. So let's start by knowing what is the description of each. So let's start with the Skylight Calendar. So the Skylight Calendar is a digital wall calendar and family organizer with a touchscreen display. So it keeps everyone on the same page by showing schedules, chores, and meal plans in one place. So it has free features, but its premium subscription called Calendar Plus unlocks more advanced tools. Now with its key benefits. So first is it syncs easily with Google Calendar for smooth scheduling. It also helps with families track chores, tasks, and meal planning. And the premium subscription adds features like the magic import, the chore rewards, and photo screensaver. And it also offers different sizes, including a big Skylight Max version for clear visibility. And now for the pros and cons. So pros is it has clean and polished design that's easy to use. It also reduces missed events and forgotten tasks by being visible at home. And the premium features are helpful for meal planning and family management. For the cons is some features are locked behind a paid subscription, so you really have to pay. And it works best with Google Calendar, so it is less smooth with others. And it is also expensive device, so especially with the larger models. Now going forward with the Cozyla Calendar. So this one is a smart wall display designed as an all-in-one family hub. So it allows syncing with multiple calendar systems like Google, Apple, and Outlook, while offering customizable widgets for chores, meals, and to-dos. Now, the key benefits are it is highly flexible dashboard with drag and drop widgets. It also supports multiple calendar sources beyond just Google, and it is available in different display sizes for better household visibility. And it also works like a digital command center with notes, tasks, and meal planner. For the pros and cons, let's start with the pros. It is very customizable and the features are very rich. Now, it also supports more calendar systems compared to Skylight, and it has large screen options, and it is easier for families to see at a glance. And it can also function as more than just a calendar, almost like a smart hub. For the cons it is higher upfront cost compared to Skylight, and some built-in applications or themes may require extra payment. And the setup and customer support can sometimes be tricky, and bigger devices may use more power and feel less polished at times. Now for the final verdict is if you want a simple, polished, and user-friendly calendar that keeps family life organized without overwhelming features, Skylight is a solid choice, especially if your family uses Google Calendar often. But if you prefer flexibility, larger displays, and support for multiple calendar systems, then Cozyla Calendar Plus is a stronger pick, provided you don't mind the higher cost and occasional complexity. So the overall is that Skylight is better for simplicity and reliability, while Cozyla shines for more power users who want customization. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!